मैं इस ट्यूटोरियल में आज आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ सॉफ्ट स्मोकी ब्राउन आईज। सो गाइज, 3 basics that I need you to follow is that I have used 3 colors। 3 से आप ट्रांजेक्शन अपना शुरू करेंगे। सबसे पहला कलर आपको अपनी आई में वही रखना है, that has to be the lightest, and the second color will be your crease color, that has to be slightly dark than the transition color, and after that you have your lid color। उस लिड कलर वो सबसे डार्केस्ट कलर होगा आपके आईज में। सो इस तरह से हम एक स्मोकी आई अचीव करेंगे। सो लेट्स बिगिन।
So starting with my eyebrows, I'm going to do today's eyebrows with Makeup Revolution Brow Pomade. So starting with my eye makeup, I'm going to start eye makeup with Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Palette. So starting with my eye makeup, I'm going to take henna from the palette and use it as my transition color. This is a light brown color that I found in this palette, and I'm going to blend it really well. And after that, I'm going to get into my crease color. Moving on to the next brown shade that I want to be a little darker for my crease color, I am picking Cocoa from the same palette. Blend these 2 shades really well before moving on. I have picked a smaller brush to blend all the edges. Moving on to the next brown shade, or which I am going to apply on my lids, is Cocoa only, but I am going to add the little dark brown from other palette to this. Moving on to liner, I'm going to use Maybelline gel liner for today's look. I'm going to smudge this liner with smaller brushes. To blend this liner into the brown, I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly's Soft Glam palette. I need a darker brown to blend this liner into my lid color, so I have used Mulberry from Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I'm using Maybelline gel liner as my kajal. I'm going to smudge my kajal, and after that I'm going with a dark brown shade of brown to really just get that smudgy look. So I have used Mulberry from Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette to blend my lower lash line. Now I'm going to enhance my eyebrows with MAC Nylon eyeshadow. So for today's video, I have used primer from LA Girl. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to use MAC NW40. I'm going to blend it really well with a damp sponge. Blend it really well. After blending my concealer, I'm going to start with my foundation, and today I'm going to use MAC Studio Fix 40 in shade 43.5. First, you should blend it with a big brush like this. And the second thing you need to remember is not to put too much pressure on the brush. For highlighting my face, I'm going to use LA Girl Concealer in shade yellow and light yellow. I'm going to mix these two shades. After applying the highlighter, I'm going to use a damp beauty blender to blend all this. After blending this highlighter, I'm going to use Chanel powder to set my foundation. I'm using Chanel in shade 20. So coming to contour, I'm going to use Hoola, which is my favorite. I have used Pinch Me blush from MAC. Then I'm going to highlight my face, starting with my nose and then to temple of my cheeks. I have used MAC Soft and Gentle and Becca Champagne. Becca in shade Champagne.